Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Balwanshi. I welcome you all on the video lecture on the topic Numerical on Hydrograph Part 2. So, this is the second type of unit hydrograph numerical in which we have to derive a DRH or flood hydrograph from given unit hydrograph. Correct? So, the question which goes like this. The ordinates of 3-hour unit hydrograph is given below. Assume base flow as 15 cubic meter per second. Derive the DRH for 2 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter of excess rainfall. Correct. So in this type of question we are asked to derive a flood hydrograph, right? And what is given here is ordinates of a unit hydrograph. Correct. So in this question we can see that the unit hydrograph is 3-hour unit hydrograph. Base flow question is saying that base flow is 15 meter cube per second and we have to derive the direct runoff hydrograph for 2 centimeter depth, 6 centimeter depth and 4 centimeter depth of excess rainfall. So here is the table which is provided. First row we are seeing the time 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39 and so on till 63 hours, right? And corresponding we are having the ordinates of 3-hour unit hydrograph like 0, 12, 75, 132, 180, 210 and so on till 63 hour we are having the 0 meter cube per second of dr of unit hydrograph ordinate. Correct. So how we have to solve this, let's see. We need to make a table. So we can see here in one column we are writing the time, in the second column we are writing the ordinates of 3-hour unit hydrograph. Correct. Now the first column and the second column, this data is being given in the question itself, so we are mentioning it here, right? So 0 time we are having the 0 hour, we are having at 0 hour we are having the 0 meter cube per second of runoff. Then at 3 hours we are having the 12 meter cube per second. Then 6 hours we are having the 75 meter cube per second. Okay, so this value is as it is. Now in the third column, we are going to make a DRH of 2 centimeter of excess rainfall. So if we are given a unit hydrograph, right, and we have to convert it for 2 centimeter effective rainfall or for 6 centimeter or for 4 centimeter, it's very simple. What we need to do is, from a given unit hydrograph ordinate, we need to multiply it with the demanding depth of excess rainfall, right? In the third question, in the third column we can see that DRH due to 2 centimeter effective rainfall. So what we have seen, what we are doing here is calculating the DRH for 2 centimeter of excess rainfall. We are doing here is multiplying the column 2 with 2 centimeter of excess rainfall. We will get here is 0, 24, 150, right? So 12 2s are 24, 75 2s are 150, 132 into 2 is 264, and similarly going on till the 63-hour duration. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Correct. Now similarly in the fourth column we have to make DRH due to 6 centimeter effective rainfall. So what we will do here is we will multiply the ordinates in the second column by 6, right? So 0 into 6 will give you 0, 12 into 6 will give you 72, 75 into 6 will give you 450 and so on. Correct. Now the last thing was DRS due to 4 centimeter of effective rainfall. So the same thing we have performed for the 2 centimeter and for the 6 centimeter we will apply here as well. So in the second column we are having the value 0. So 0 into 4 will give you 0. Then 12 into 4 will give you 48. 75 into 4 will give you 300 and so on. So this was the procedure to find the DRH value from a given unit hydrograph. I hope you have understand all these things. Stay tuned and keep learning.